Hello, I'm Margaret with Whimsy North, and today I'm going to show you how to use a stitch marker cord to put your stitches on hold. I am currently working on a sweater. This is the back, and the pattern now calls to put all these back stitches on hold so that I can pick up stitches for the front. To do that, I'm going to use one of these cords from Summer Camp Fibers. I've linked it below if you want to look into them. They make it really easy to put your stitches on hold. It has this little connector here, and the first thing I'm going to do is pull them apart so that one side of the connector is still in the side of the tube and the other side is this hole. Then I'm going to take that hole and I'm going to stick it onto my needle. So these go up to a certain size needle, and right now I'm using a US 8, so it's a little bit of a larger needle, but it fits right on the end there. And then all you need to do is simply start taking your stitches off the needle and carefully threading them onto the cord. Okay, now all my stitches are on the cord here, and all I need to do is remove it from the needle, take that clear connector, stick it in the end, and all my back stitches are now on hold. Now, when I want to put the stitches back on the needle, it's as simple as disconnecting the connector, putting the needle back on the end, and simply sliding the stitches back onto the needle. Now the yarn that I am using for this demonstration is from Knit Picks. It's their Wonder Fluff yarn. It is an alpaca blend, so it does have a little bit more of a fuzzy texture to it, which is why it is a little bit more tricky to get over this join here than, let's say, a wool or a superwash that I use for other projects. Okay, so now you just simply take the cord off, and you are ready to begin knitting again. I love using these cords now for putting all my stitches on hold versus having to thread some yarn through. You can use them to hold your sleeves, you can also, there's longer ones that you can put on so that you can try your sweater on. You can put all your stitches on hold and then try on your sweater really easily and then put them back on the needle in order to continue knitting. So they are really handy to have. You can also, with this connector, you can connect multiple. So if you, they come in different sizes, but if you need to make a larger circumference so that you can try that sweater on, you can connect multiple of them together. So they're a really handy tool to have in your knitting kit. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're looking to have any more knitting tutorials, and give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and leave a comment below if you have any other ways that you like to use these knitting cords in your knitting. I would love to hear your tips. Thank you.